At Onyx Solar, we know that the cheapest energy is the energy that is not consumed, which is why we offer multifunction construction solutions which can be integrated perfectly into any type of building. But what makes our solutions special? Ours are multifunction solutions which combine both active and passive properties to give a great many advantages to the buildings which incorporate them. They allow for the entry of natural light, provide both thermal and sound insulation, they filter out harmful radiation, produce clean, free energy thanks to solar power, and feature an innovative customized design which can be integrated perfectly into any type of building, while the structure also significantly increases the comfort of its occupants by combating the noise pollution originating from outside. At Onyx Solar, we are firmly committed to innovation in all areas of our company. All of this makes up the ideal partner for incorporating photovoltaic systems into the fabric of all types of building, without compromising design and without placing limits on imagination.